If a string-buffer class is mutable, can we reverse the content of a string-buffer object? Yes, we can do that. By using the reverse method, we can do that. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 18 of Java and Web, String API in Java. This is the reverse method which is public and synchronized and returns a reference of type string-buffer. The reverse method reverses the content of the caller string-buffer object. The changes made by the reverse method takes place in the same object, the same caller string-buffer object. The reverse method returns the reference of the caller string-buffer object after reverse operation. So here in the Java file first.java we have the class first. In the class first we have the method main. In the method main we are creating a new string buffer object with the content hello. Then after we are calling the method reverse by using the reference variable sp. That's how the content of this string buffer object, the content of the caller string buffer object will be reversed, and the reference to the caller string buffer object itself will be returned by the method reverse. That's how S1 and SB are contain the reference of the same string buffer object. When we print the reference variable SB, it will print hello in opposite order. And again, when we print the reference variable S1, it will print hello in opposite order. We are checking if SB is equal to S1 or not. Then yes, SB is equal to S1 because the same content, the same reference returned by the method reverse. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.